Hey everyone, today I have a sneak peek at BizStack YouTube channel about Typedesk's new version. The Typedesk founder sent it to me, so thank you very much for sending it to me. And I have been using Typedesks for a while for adding shortcut for longer text. For example, let's say this is the help center URL of the company I work for. It's just an example. So today I will show you one of the cool new feature about ChatGPT integration and also being able to getting the results of a prompt out of type desk screen. So yeah, let me start with showing you add the how to make the integration with OpenAI. It's very easy. So you just go to Typedesk settings on your Mac. If you have Windows, I believe it's also pretty similar. Then you go to integrations, save the key, then go back, and then let's check, for example. Um, Let me show you how it happens. So I will first add some, variables, dynamic fill-ins. This is how it works. So this is from city, let's say, and then let's say to city. So I will just written a prompt about this. So this is a text field to city. So make me a detailed day by day itinerary for a road trip from city to city, and then for day two, yeah, this is the second. So this is just an example I have seen on the Twitter, and yeah, I just wanted to try it right now. Okay, so let me add my Notes app, create a new note, and this is what I'm going to do. Plan travel. This is the short version. So what I'm going to do is plan travel. Okay, from city is the city I live, Izmir, to city, let's say Istanbul. Okay, so as you can see, this right now just writes the prompt, so we can get this written in front of ChatGPT interface if you'd like. I can just open ChatGPT and get this written. So let's take a look at it. For example, let me open my browser, ChatGPT, new chat, and also there are some cool plugins about on ChatGPT, some cool plugins about travel. Yeah, for example, we have Expedia, maybe OpenTable for food. Yeah, actually, I enabled all the ones I can. So I will just select Expedia and then maybe OpenTable, and yeah, and then Kayak. So I will just select these two, OpenTable and Kayak. So then what I'm going to do is, what was it? Plan travel, plan travel. Okay, yeah, Izmir, because I chosen, use the previous one as the default value. I can change it, but yeah, I'm not going to change it here. So yeah, it copied to my, yes, just to make sure it copied to my clipboard. So yeah, let's see what's going to happen. So İzmir to Bursa. Yeah, Bursa is between. Yeah, anyways, this is about ChatGPT. Let me go back to here. So what I'm going to do is this time, yeah, I will do this open use as an OpenAI prompt. So what this is going to do is this directly will send this prompt to OpenAI with my OpenAI API key. So yeah, let's check. For example, here, plan travel İzmir, Istanbul. So it's right now sending the prompt to ChatGPT. That's why it's taking some time. When it's finished, we will see it here. Yeah, let's wait a bit. Okay, here it is. As you can see, it just did it. So you just click this button or just, click enter, and here it is. Of course, this is a different initiary because there was no plugins enabled here. So if you want to enable plugins, you should do the first version because the plugins is just alpha. But this is pretty, this is pretty easy to do. For example, you can summarize some email tags coming to you, something like that, so that you can easily reply to that. The possibilities are endless. So yeah, and also I just started it. As you can see, I created this AI writer prompts. So for example, this is SEO friendly meta title and meta description. So for example, I can do this like this, target topic, and then just add it here, target topic. Actually, yeah, I'm not even add the blog post here because it will be long. Just as an example, and for the blog post with, let's say, the target topic. Yes, let's save it like this. For example, yeah. So let's see how it happens. So I will again use the OpenAI prompt. I will save it. Okay, it's AI blog meta. Let's see. AI blog meta. Target topic, let's say um, Typedesk introduction and review. Let's see what it's going to write. Again, by the way, it can take some time depending on the, how busy is OpenAI, and also, ChatGPT, and also it takes, especially if you are asking for a very long prompt, it can take some time. So yeah, be mindful of that. I think it's very useful for shorter prompts, like replying to an email, improving the copy of a Twitter ad, Facebook ad, something like that. But not getting written a 2,000 word article, because even ChatGPT doesn't do that in a single try. You need to continue, tell it to continue writing. So yeah, that's why. So okay, it looks like the it looks like ChatGPT doesn't know much about type task, and I think it's pretty okay because the last time the ChatGPT is trained is 2021. So yeah, with the browser plugin coming in, this the even using the new information will be possible. So yeah, I'm looking forward to your ideas and your reviews. And please check the link in the YouTube description where you can start your 30-day trial of Typedesk, just with a click of a button. Thank you. Bye.